Spitfires, and they are represented by the Mk1a that leads this four-ship of British and American fighters of that period. Change to a very different machine for our next solo. A nippy little naval fighter from the Grumman Iron Works, as the Grumman factory in the United States was called. Proved not exactly to fit the bill, and the result was the F4F Wildcat with the R1830 engine. Through comes the Spitfire and pulling up. And absolutely, in 1936, what was then the US Army Air Corps, later to become the Army Air Forces, staged a competitive fly-off between a new fighter from the Curtiss company, the Model 75, and a new offering from rival manufacturer Seversky, the P-35. The Seversky aircraft actually won, but it was much more expensive than the Curtiss design. N3200 of the Imperial War Museums. This remarkable airworthy survivor, following its shoot-down on the 26th of May 1940. The 19th Squadron typifies the transition from the monoplane to biplane period. They replaced the Gloucester Gauntlet. Gordon Sinclair was a pre-war pilot with number 19 Squadron. He started out flying the Gauntlet in 1937. He stayed with 19 through Dunkirk, through the Battle of Britain. He claimed 5 kills. He was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross. Before his death, he spoke to an Imperial War Museum researcher about his first experiences of the Spitfire in 1938.
A total change. But I mean, apart from anything else, with 100 miles an hour change, there was that. But it was a totally different sort of machine. I must confess, I didn't terribly like the Spitfire to begin with.
It's appropriate to recall in particular this weekend, because it was on the 10th of May 1940. Indeed, the Hawker, one that had been very pleasing to see, well represented by the fighter collection, not just the 75A1 that we've just seen, but their silver P-36C model in their fleet. In over the threshold.